In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome web browser. Pop-ups can be a useful feature when you need them, but they can also be quite intrusive if they appear unexpectedly. So, let's get started on managing these effectively. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look for 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. This is the More menu, which houses many of your browser's settings and options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is the Settings option. Click on it, and this will open a new tab in your browser with all the settings you can adjust for your Chrome experience. In the Settings tab, which has now opened, you'll see a variety of categories on the left-hand side of the screen. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it helps you control your browsing experience and keep your information safe. Click on Privacy and Security to proceed. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, you'll need to look for an option called Site Settings. Clicking this will bring you to a comprehensive menu where you can manage how websites interact with your browser. It's a great way to customize your online experience to match your preferences. Now that you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you find a section labeled Content. Within this section is the option we're looking for today, Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on this, and it will lead you to the settings that control how Google Chrome handles pop-ups and redirects. At this stage, you have a couple of options depending on what you want to achieve. If your goal is to block pop-ups, you're in luck, since Chrome defaults to blocking them for you. You'll want to ensure that the setting reads "Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects." This helps keep your browsing experience more streamlined and less interrupted. However, if there's a reason you need to turn on pop-ups, perhaps for a specific website that requires them, you can change this setting. All you need to do is select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This setting is less protective, so be sure that you only enable pop-ups when necessary. And that's it. Now you have successfully managed pop-ups in Google Chrome according to your needs. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust them as required. I hope this was helpful in customizing your browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.